you, I'm gonna show you how to make salsa mexicana. So the ingredients that you're gonna need is you're gonna need some chiles, tomatillos. Mine are frozen and they're from my garden from last year. 2 ajos and 1 chile, and this one is also frozen. And then the next thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna put them in this pan right here. Heat it up. Oh, and I forgot. And of course you need salt. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your red chiles and you're gonna put them in here. But make sure you move them around with a spoon. It's kind of on low because the chile does smell really, really bad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the chiles in here. I'm gonna turn on my fan and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. For like about, let's say, 2 minutes or so, or even less, and they changed colors like this. They're a little bit darker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of the chiles inside my blender right here, and then I'm going to add a little bit of salt in here. Go. And next I'm going to do this green chile mixed with the tomatillos. Make sure these change a different color, que se doren poquito, and then when this is all done, you're gonna put it in here. So, and with the same spoon, you can go ahead and start flipping them and see where it needs to get more cooked. And let it sit here for about 5 minutes or so. Okay, so the tomatillos look like this. They look like a different color now. And I also forgot to mention, I'm gonna use some onions and some cilantro right after. Alright, so in my blender, I went ahead and put all of my red chiles. I added salt, and I added my green chile here so it can blend really well in here together. And I'm gonna go ahead and add my onion. And this was the only onion that I had, so I'm gonna use it. I usually use the white onion and then my 2 garlics. And I'm gonna fill it up with a little bit of water. I don't know if you can see it. And I'm gonna blend it. Okay, so now with the same bowl, I know it's kind of dirty, but it's part of the tomatillos. I'm gonna pour my sauce in here. That, and I'm gonna get my spoon, put it in here, and that's it, you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this easy salsa video.